Hi everyone, I'm Gio. Thanks for tuning in for another tutorial. In today's episode, I'll be walking you through how to upgrade Avaya AADS to 10.2.1.2.7. AADS is a critical Avaya application that automates authentication, configuration, and the login process for Avaya Workplace softphone users. Because this upgrade is service affecting, make sure you schedule an appropriate outage window. If you're running an AADS deployment, always upgrade the primary AADS, also known as the seed node, first. Once that upgrade is complete, you can proceed with the remaining AADS servers. The current AADS version is 10.2.0.1.16, and I'll be upgrading it to 10.2.1.2.7. After the upgrade, I'll also be installing Security Service Pack 14. Here's the required software I will be using today to upgrade the server. Before starting the process, make sure to take a snapshot of your Avaya AADS server in case a rollback is needed. As I mentioned earlier, AADS is essential for Avaya Workplace logins. If AADS does not come back online after the upgrade, your users will not be able to sign in and you'll have a lot of unhappy customers. Once the upgrade is complete, be sure to test your Avaya Workplace client by resetting the application to default and performing a fresh login to confirm everything is working properly. Let's go ahead and get started. I've already migrated the AADS upgrade files using WinSCP. When you first transfer the AADS.bin upgrade file, it isn't in an executable format. So the next step is to modify its permissions to make the file executable. Run the following command: chmod 755 along with the file name. Then enter. After applying the permission change, you'll notice the file name changes color in the CLI, indicating that it's now executable. This will allow us to run the upgrade command using the non-root account. Once that's done, we can proceed with the next step of starting the tmux session. What the tmux session allows you to do is, if the SSH terminates while the upgrade operation is in progress, you can reconnect to the tmux session and complete the upgrade operation. To start the tmux session, run the following command: tmu session s, then name your session. I'm going to name it AADS_upgrade, then enter. Once your tmux session has started, you'll see a green bar at the bottom of the screen. Next, let's remove any inactive AADS sessions by running the following command: app remove inactive, then enter. Once you run the command, you will receive a warning message, and to proceed you'll want to type remove, then hit enter. This removed the inactive AADS version that we had in the server. Now we can go ahead and start the upgrade. To start the upgrade, I'm going to type the following command: app up along with the file name. I'm going to type Y to proceed. Once you see the AADS installer, choose yes to proceed with the upgrade. On the next screen, you will be asked if you want to install OpenLDAP. If you are not migrating to OpenLDAP, choose no to skip the LDAP configuration. On the next screen, choose continue to move forward with the installation. Then choose accept. The upgrade has started, and this will take about 10 minutes to complete. The upgrade is now complete and it took about 10 minutes. Now we're going to choose continue by hitting enter. And to clear the screen, I'm going to type Control L. Control L didn't work, so I typed Control C, and that got me out of that prompt. And then I typed clear to clear the screen. Now that the upgrade is complete, I'm going to check the application version by typing SVC AADS SW version. And as you can see, we are now on 10.2.1.2.7. Next, we're going to install Security Service Pack 14. But before we do that, I'm going to check the version by typing AV-version. And as you can see, we're currently running SSP 6. So now I'm going to proceed with installing SSP 14 by typing the AV-update-OS along with the file name command. And this is going to start the upgrade process. The security service pack is now done, and it took about 5 minutes to complete. Once it's done, it automatically reboots the server. So once the reboot is complete, we'll re-log in and check the version. The server has completed rebooting, and as you can see, we are now on AADS version 10.2.1.2.7 along with security service pack I just ran the svc AADS status command to make sure the services were running, and as you can see right now the services are not running. The reason it fails is because I haven't upgraded the AADS server, and it's telling me that when it checked the secondary server, it is running a different version. So let me go ahead and start the upgrade on the secondary server, but for now we are good to go. Thank you. I hope you found this video helpful. Be sure to stay tuned for my next episode. I'll be covering a programming change introduced in AADS 10.2 that caused some of my users to be unable to log in for months. It all came down to a single line of code. You won't want to miss this. If you have little ones in your life, don't forget to visit noahsreadingsuit.com and download my free activity pages, and also check out one of my children's books. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.